Hi, this is Mima for Kams Jams, and Cam is going to show us a science experiment that I have never seen before, and I don't even know what it is, and he's trying to explain to me everything I need to get, and he said to get some gel soap and some pepper, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so he got this science experiment in school, or at home, and so...
No, on YouTube.
On YouTube? But you did it with your mom, right?
Yes, and Dad.
Okay. All right. So, what else do I need? Do you need me to fill this bowl with...
Is this pepper?
Do I need to fill this bowl with water?
Yes.
Okay.
All the way to where you sink. Okay? All the way medium.
Like in the middle? Up to here?
Right there.
Okay. Okay, so we have this bowl of water.
That's some pepper.
This is the bowl of water.
This is pepper. You know what?
Okay. That's a lot. That's good. All right, so now, what's the next thing you're going to do?
I'm going to put soap in the little bowl. A little bit.
Okay.
Put your finger in, like that.
Okay. Oh, it didn't work, did it?
How'd that do it?
It was supposed to make the pepper go out, was it?
No, it's supposed to, like, maybe it's the wrong pepper.
Maybe it's the wrong soap. It must be the wrong soap. Let's try a different soap. I'm going to try a different soap. Are you ready to try the different soap? There's already pepper. You don't need any more pepper. Put your finger in this other clear soap over here. Okay, and then try. It did it! What makes it do that, Cameron?
Because the pepper is the hardest, and now it just goes one away, and it makes a sound for this soap. This is Kameron on Tam Stands. Bye!
I'm going to put it up here so we can see.
I can see me!
I can't see very good. It's too high. It's not a good place. So I'm going to move it.
Oh, that's good place. No, rolling it down.
Just hold
That's
on.
good. That's can't see.